Guys, welcome. Another week, another trade breakdown. Today I'll be walking you through a long that I took on EU this week, and it's a very interesting story, so make sure to watch the full video. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through exactly what I was seeing and basically a top-down analysis, so let's get right into it. So, daily chart, euro dollar, what am I seeing? We've had a sharp move up, and as you can see, we're in a clear uptrend. And this was a swing low, and we went underneath it, so we could have actually switched bearish. However, what's this? A massive wick rejection showing me a liquidity sweep. Hence why I'm still bullish on the euro. And as you can see, we came up and passed this red candle, which means that we should be respecting the last bearish candles in an uptrend. Hence why if this gets broken, which is a swing low as well, then I'll be switching bearish. But as you can see, a swing low formed, came down, swept, so everything's showing me bullish intentions. And as you can see from all of these days, pushing down and going up. So targets wise, we have a target there and a target there. In terms of draws off liquidity, that's where I expect the daily to go. And if we're pushing through that with momentum, then we have some nice equal highs right there. So I expect daily to go to around 109, 1.109, that sort of area. So now that we've got our bullish bias uncovered and decoded, I guess, let's jump down to the 1 hour and I'll show you what I was seeing. Okay, so pre-session, what was I seeing? Strong displacement up, breaking all of these highs, hence why, it's matching with the bullish bias. So all these things are adding up together, showing me that, we could actually be bullish for the day. So what did I do? I drew out a massive fair value gap that we have here. Massive price inefficiency. As usual, if you don't understand some of the concepts, then make sure to check out my free trading notes that I've linked down in the description below. So I was thinking that we could come, tap into this, and then carry on up. So that's pretty much on the 1 hour. Now on the 15 minute, what did we see? So since I'm bullish, I want to see the Asian low get taken out, and only then am I interested in a trade. So get our Asian low there, and we get our opening price. Midnight opening price right there. So what can we see? Once the session opened, we took the Asian high first. Now once the Asian high is taken first and then the low is taken, this is ICT's Judas swing, because what we're doing is once it goes here, whoever was bullish is getting tripped early with buy stops there. So buy stops are triggered, and then what does the market like to do? Take all of them out. When it comes down and takes them out, sell stops are triggered, and then it goes in the actual direction, which is bullish, taking out all the people who had stop losses and who were selling early. So that's the Judas swing. So if we went underneath the Asian low, I was pretty confident that we would have a Judas swing instead of a normal power of 3 where the first thing that's taken is the low or the high, depending on bullish or bearish. So pretty much that's what I was looking for. We have some nice liquidity resting there as well. So I was hoping take out the Asian low into liquidity, into a massive fair value gap. If I can see weakness, perfect. If not, we'll see. So let's get to 2 a.m. So 1:45. So the next candle. There you go. So at 2 a.m. swept the Asian low. So now let's jump down to the thing I took on the 5 minute. Yeah. So now let's see what happens. So no trade still. Not looking for anything. Now, this is a swing high, so you could actually view this as a break in market structure right there. However, is it showing me displacement? Not really. Is it showing me, is it convincing me that we're going to go up? Not really. Broke with a wick. Nothing but liquidity sweep in my opinion. So I'm expecting this to be the next target of liquidity. As you can see, we take it there. Okay, nothing so far. What time is this? 4:05, so nothing so far. The break-in structure line would be there. Okay, as you can see, strong displacement, body close as well. Perfect, that's all we're looking for. And we have a nice wick rejection right there, showing us that we're likely to go up now. So considering that, let's see if we get a fair value up. Boom. Next candle, fair value up. Label that there. Boom. Stop. entry right there. Stop loss, I like to go under this fair value gap pattern. So right, what did I have? Yep, right there. That was the stop loss. And then a standard 1 to 2. There. I'm targeting a 1 to 3 these days, but in the original trading plan so far, it's a 1 to 2, so hence why I just kept that. So next candle we got tagged in, and then I'll just fold this. Okay, so this part, when we came down here, I was like, this is gonna take me out. Seriously, my psychology was so bad. Literally 1 pip away from the stop loss. Yeah, literally 1 pip away. But euro dollar, most liquid pair, so, and especially during the London session, spreads are quite generous, so they're like 0.3. So I was pretty happy once we started doing this. And then, yeah, as you can see, we took it out there, and then we just carried on going up. So that was the trade. Pretty simple. Just walk through it again. The entry came down, lot of wick showing that we don't really want to go down anymore. This was a strong candle, however we had a wick rejection there, strong displacement, breaking a high, fair value gap, simple, and also there's a fair value gap right there. And look how did we respect it? No, we went through and broke through it with displacement. Disrespecting a fair value gap, breaking structure, forming a new fair value gap. It's giving me bullish signs. As you can see, that's what happened. Really close to taking me out, didn't, and then actually just kept going up and up. And eventually taking out the Asian high where, as we know, there's always a lot of liquidity. It's another trade breakdown. I hope you enjoyed, hope you got some value out of it, and hopefully you had some similar characteristics in your trading week this week. Anyways, until next week, see you then, happy trading, stay safe.